Hi everyone, we're going to be making taco soup. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and let's get to it. First, put the chicken in the pot. Second, pour the water or chicken broth in the pot, okay? Next, you pour the taco seasoning in the pot. Cover and cook on medium-high heat. Next, stretch the chicken. This is hard.
Do you need help, baby?
Okay, let me try.
We are done.
Now put your shredded chicken back in the pot. Okay. I'm just gonna scoop it. I don't want it to splash. Now you put the cream cheese in the pot and the rotel in the pot. Last, you put your shredded cheese in the pot. Last thing, you cover it and let it cook until the cheese is melted.